Hey guys, so right now I'm here with my Insta360 Ace Pro. This Insta360 Ace Pro, it was released at the end of last year, but it is still sitting as the king of action camera. So I want to share with you guys 10 features that I love about this camera. So I should be able to answer you whether it is still worth it to get it for the summer 2024. So the first thing that I love about Insta360 Ace Pro is, of course, the massive flip screen. So this 2.4-inch massive screen, it means I can really see what I'm filming. So this is quite a scary viewing deck. It's lovely, but I can see exactly what's inside the frame, so it is absolutely amazing. So even when I'm taking selfie at a little bit of distance, because I really want to get the beautiful view as much as possible, I can still see exactly what I'm filming in this beautiful display. It is super duper convenient. And because this flip screen, of course, you can turn it into 90 degrees. So this is really handy if you do have a bike, or even, for example, in this angle. A lot of conventional action camera would just be like this. So you have to sort of bend down to see the screen. However, I can just do it like this, make use of fences, infrastructure around you. For example, I can just stand it here and take a little bit of time lapse, but I don't have to bend down to see the screen. I can just see the screen at this super convenient angle. With Insta360 Ace Pro, you enjoy 8K resolution. So this is an 8K resolution video, which means when you turn into a 4K resolution, you can also enjoy zooming in. And you can do that while you're shooting with 4K resolution. And the zoomed in 4K resolution looks beautiful. At 4K resolution, you can enjoy so many different frame rates. You can go into 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second. That will really help you to capture the action. One feature I really enjoy is gesture mode. Put my palm up to start recording a video, put my palm up again to stop recording, and also give a victory sign to take a photo. The next feature I use a lot is the pause button. So on 2.4-inch display, I can see the pause button of the video. After pausing, if I want to re-record, then I can either press the pause button again or use the shutter button. Using this pause function, I can actually make an interesting reels really quickly. And if you long press the shutter button, you can delete the video that you were recording. So it's very easy to save up the storage space within Ace Pro. There's another function, and this time it is an AI. So the AI within Insta360 Ace Pro will pick out the key points within your long video. So here, this long video of 39 seconds, it's rather boring. So it's picked out 4.7 seconds and 6 seconds of the highlights. So I can actually save those files separately. And if I want to delete the long video of 39 seconds, then I can do so. So it eases up the space, and it will also help with quick editing of the video. Talking of AI, I want to talk about AI Warp, which is an effect found in Insta360 app. You guys know that Insta360 app has so many different features, but this AI Warp effect is the coolest of them all. Now let's talk about the accessories. So one of the best accessory is the multi-mount, which is this one. You can actually really get a great length and use it as a selfie stick. And right now I'm using it as a longish tripod. And with the hook here, you can actually hang it on places like, window, fence, and so on. so you can go completely hands-free. And another accessory that's really helping for you to go hands-free with Insta360 Ace Pro is this GPS preview remote. Basically, it will record the GPS information and it also show you all the preview. Once connected, and when I turn on the GPS preview remote, then it will automatically switch on my camera. Yay! So on this watch, open the camera mode. So you're seeing exactly the same thing on the main display. And you can change the menu just like how you would with the main display on the camera. It's exactly the same thing. Change the resolution and you can start recording, and you can also take the photo inside a video just like how you would here. And you can also pause as well and start recording again. It's just amazing. And also stop recording. You can do everything. This is super convenient. You can also zoom in and also zoom out as well. Now I'm in my position and I'm gonna use the remote control. Change the menu. Time lapse. Go. Yay! So if you like using this GPS preview remote, then it also comes in this little strap, so you can actually strap this on your bicycle, any like metal pole, selfie pole, anywhere really. So you can really make great use of this remote control for Insta360 Ace Pro. The third and the final of the accessories that I really love about Insta360 Ace Pro is the quick release mount. It's magnetic, so it can easily go on to Ace Pro with just one hand if your other hand is very busy. And then you can securely lock the camera onto this release mount. So Ace Pro is very securely fastened to any mount. Once mounted, don't forget to use other features such as Hyperlapse, which I absolutely love. It comes in 4K resolution, beautiful. And the fact that Insta360 Ace Pro, it can go up to 10 meters waterproof without any casing. So my mind is at peace when it's near water. And the camera quality is excellent, as you've seen in my video. So I can easily just bring it to a darker environment like me in the forest, and you can even go darker in the evening time. So I've shared with you guys my favorite 10 features on Insta360 Ace Pro. It has so many amazing technology inside Insta360 Ace Pro. So I think it's still definitely worth getting if you're looking into getting some camera, durable, for action, for waterproof, water activity and so on. Then I think you should definitely consider Insta360 Ace Pro in your list of consideration. And if you guys want to check out my other review on Insta360 X4, which is the latest 360-degree camera from Insta360, then don't forget to check out next video. And I'll come back with other reviews, so see you!